Post-tour, there are a few things you can do to encourage renters to move forward with the application process. In the final video of the How to Fill Units series, let's discuss these post-tour tips. If you can tell by your pre-screening that the renter won't be a good fit for your rental, you may want to skip these steps unless they ask you for a rental application. In that case, it's best to allow them to apply and then deny them once you've completed the full screening process. This way you don't have to worry about any fair housing claims. The three main post-tour tips are: 1. Discuss next steps. Once you've completed the showing, be sure to provide renters with the forms they'll need to submit an application. This will likely include a rental application sheet and forms for credit and background check authorization. Giving potential renters these forms after the tour increases the chance that they'll apply. It also reduces the time it will take to screen and approve them. If you process your applications online, then be sure to collect all relevant information from potential tenants, such as their names, contact number, and email addresses, so that you can send them a link to your online rental application. 2. Provide a brochure. Even if renters aren't ready to apply directly after the showing, it's important to make sure they have a way of remembering the property. To keep your property top of mind, provide potential renters with a pamphlet that includes the rental's basic information and decent photos of the unit. You don't have to break the bank creating these brochures, but you do want them to be high enough quality that people maintain a good impression of the property. 3. Follow up. Be sure to promptly follow up with all your prospective renters a day or two after the rental showing. Check with them to see if they have any follow-up questions or if they need any help completing their rental application. This way, you'll know if they are genuinely interested in your property or not. If they indicate that they're not, be sure to wish them well. A little customer service can go a long way and will help you secure the right renters for your property. You should now be fully equipped with a plan to approach rental property showings adeptly. The last thing you want is to find an interested renter, mishandle the post-tour process, then watch them sign a lease with another landlord. In order to ensure people become applicants and secure high-quality renters, effective property showings combined with follow-up after the showings are a must. Thanks for watching and happy renting.